Hello and welcome. So we're going to be talking about parallelograms today. So for a parallelogram, the definition is that you essentially have a quadrilateral, meaning some kind of shape with four sides, a polygon of four sides specifically. Okay? And it's going to be from there, both of the two of those sides, two sets of those sides have to be parallel to each other. So you might remember this vaguely is like an idea of a parallelogram, or this side is parallel to that side, this side parallel to this side, right? And you can go from there. So if we wanted to find what is the fourth point for a parallelogram here, that's what this question is asking. It says determine the coordinate point that will finish the parallelogram ABCD. Well, if we were to do this, there's a couple places it could be, right? We could put it like over here and like make this parallelogram that way. Or maybe your point could be down here to make a parallelogram that way. Or maybe your point is over here, maybe closer to there, and then that will also make a parallelogram. Okay, there's a lot of different ways we can do this. So where is it specifically? If these all create parallelograms, which one of them is it? Well, let's read what we were told one more time. It says determine the coordinate point that will finish the parallelogram A, B, C, D. What that means is that from here, A must connect to B to form that, B must connect to C, and C must connect to D. So we already know that the fourth point can't be over here, because if you connect this, that's not a parallelogram, right? If you were to try to go another direction, that would again cross another one of your sides. That wouldn't be a parallelogram. Couldn't do much from there. So how do we find that last point? Well, what we could do from there is we know that parallelograms work from two sets of parallel sides. Well, for two lines to be parallel, that means they have to have the same slope. All right, and slope, we usually notate that with an M, is going to be your rise over your run. So we can find the slope of either from A to B or from B to C. Doesn't matter, you can do it either way. I'm going to go from B to C. So it's alright, what is our rise? We rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we run 3. That means that your slope should be the exact same as you're going to your next point here. So to find our next point, this was this line, so the line that should be here should have the same slope. So up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, run 3, 1, 2, 3, bam. This is where your fourth coordinate is. It would connect to here, and then D would connect back to A. And that would be your parallelogram for this one. Alright, so what's that coordinate point? That's at 2, 5, looks like. So is there any of those on our list? Sure is. That is your third one down, and that is your final answer. Thanks for watching.